What if the most distant world in our solar system isn't just a frozen wasteland, but a dynamic planet hiding secrets beneath its icy surface? Could there be a hidden ocean deep within Pluto, or even the building blocks of life? Recent discoveries have turned everything we thought we knew upside down. Imagine standing on the edge of the solar system, looking out at a world so distant that sunlight takes over 5 hours to reach it. A world covered in ice, with a heart-shaped plain, and possibly hiding a liquid ocean beneath its frozen surface. This is Pluto, a mysterious, faraway realm that challenges everything we thought we knew about planets. But what if I told you that Pluto might not be just a frozen relic of the past, but a dynamic world with secrets waiting to be unlocked? Pluto lies in the Kuiper Belt, a vast region beyond Neptune filled with icy remnants from the solar system's formation. Once considered the 9th planet in our solar system, Pluto was reclassified as a dwarf planet by the International Astronomical Union in 2006. Why the change? Because Pluto, unlike the 8 planets we know, doesn't clear its orbit of debris, one of the critical criteria for planetary status. This reclassification sparked debates, disappointment, and curiosity. After all, Pluto has always defied expectations, and it still does today. What's fascinating is how Pluto's orbit crosses that of Neptune, making it unique in the solar system. Its eccentric path is just the start of what makes Pluto so different from the planets we're more familiar with. For decades, Pluto was a blurry, mysterious, in the distant reaches of space. That all changed in 2015 when NASA's New Horizons mission gave us our first close-up look at this enigmatic world. After a nearly decade-long journey through the void, New Horizons sent back stunning, high-resolution images of Pluto's surface. What we saw wasn't just another frozen rock. It was a landscape filled with surprises. Deep fissures, vast plains of ice, and even signs of tectonic activity. One of the most remarkable discoveries was Sputnik Planitia, a heart-shaped basin stretching for miles. This region alone shattered many assumptions scientists had about Pluto, revealing it to be a much more complex world. The basin's positioning, directly opposite Pluto's largest moon, Charon, suggests an interesting relationship between the two, possibly influenced by a hidden ocean beneath Pluto's surface. Picture an ocean, not on Earth, but beneath Pluto's frozen crust. It sounds like science fiction, but recent evidence points to the possibility of a subsurface ocean. Extensional fractures on Pluto's surface suggest internal forces at work, reshaping the landscape. Some areas lack the impact craters we'd expect from billions of years of collisions, hinting that Pluto has been geologically active relatively recently. The question is, how? It might be heat from radioactive elements deep within Pluto's rocky core that keeps this ocean liquid. Just like the secret lakes buried under Antarctica's ice, Pluto could be hiding an ocean that has the potential to change how we think about life in the cosmos. If water exists there, it could be an oasis in one of the coldest corners of our solar system. Let's return to Sputnik Planitia, the vast, icy heart of Pluto. Its formation is a mystery that has captivated scientists. Some believe it could be the result of an ancient collision, with nitrogen ice gradually accumulating and tipping Pluto into its current position. The area itself is eerily smooth, with very few impact craters, meaning something has been reshaping this surface, possibly driven by forces beneath the ice. Could a subsurface ocean have played a role in this reshaping? As nitrogen gas in Pluto's atmosphere cooled, it solidified and added mass to the surface. Over time, this ice buildup may have caused the surface to shift, further altering Pluto's alignment. Now, Pluto's far side, where the sun hardly ever shines, holds even more secrets waiting to be uncovered. The stunning images captured by NASA's New Horizons mission revealed a chaotic terrain, a jumbled mess of cracked plains and ridges that seem to tell a story of violent geological upheaval. This rugged landscape mirrors features seen on other celestial bodies, such as Mars and Jupiter's icy moon Europa, hinting at shared processes throughout the solar system. Scientists theorize that this type of terrain could be the result of a massive impact, perhaps from a comet or asteroid. Such an event would send seismic waves rippling through Pluto, converging on the far side and creating this chaotic mosaic of fractured ice. This tumultuous history raises tantalizing questions. How did such an impact shape Pluto, and what does it reveal about its inner workings? To dig deeper, Alden Denton, a planetary geology student at Purdue University, conducted a groundbreaking study modeling the effects of such an impact on Pluto's surface. His simulations suggested that this chaotic terrain could only have formed if there were a liquid ocean beneath the icy shell, a dynamic reservoir that allows the surface to shift and crack from within. This idea is not just a whimsy of imagination. It aligns closely with similar phenomena observed on other celestial bodies throughout our solar system. For instance, Europa, with its own subsurface ocean, exhibits signs of similar geological activity. If Pluto shares this hidden oceanic feature, it challenges our understanding of what constitutes a habitable environment. Could there be processes at work beneath its surface that we have yet to discover? Moreover, the possibility of a liquid ocean raises questions about Pluto's geological history. What kind of interactions occur beneath the icy crust? Could heat from radioactive decay in Pluto's core provide the energy needed to sustain a liquid environment? This potential for an active interior hints at a more complex and dynamic Pluto than we ever imagined. A world that could harbor not just geological activity, but perhaps even the conditions necessary for life. As we continue to analyze the far side of Pluto, each new finding adds a layer of complexity to our understanding. With every crack and ridge, we inch closer to revealing the secrets of this enigmatic dwarf planet. The evidence is mounting, and as scientists work to piece together the puzzle, Pluto's hidden ocean looms ever larger in our collective imagination, suggesting that beneath its frozen facade lies a world teeming with possibility. Now, here's where things get really interesting. Signs of water ice, mixed with organic molecules, have been found on Pluto's surface. These organic compounds, the building blocks of life, form when ice is bombarded with cosmic radiation. Could Pluto, despite its harsh conditions, harbor the ingredients necessary for life? Even more intriguing is a reddish band near Pluto's equator, possibly composed of organic materials that have been exposed to sunlight. Could this region have been warm enough in the past for liquid water to exist and interact with organics? If so, the idea of life, however simple or extreme, on Pluto isn't as far-fetched as it seems. Of course, where there's mystery, there's always speculation. Some enthusiasts have even pointed to anomalies in Pluto's images, suggesting possible signs of extraterrestrial activity. While NASA explains these as natural geological processes, the idea of alien life on Pluto fuels the imagination. Regardless of these speculative theories, one thing is certain: Pluto remains one of the most fascinating objects in our solar system. From its icy plains to its hidden depths, it's a world that defies expectations and continues to surprise us. In conclusion, Pluto is far more than just a distant, icy world. It's a captivating realm teeming with mysteries that challenge our understanding of the solar system. From the chaotic terrain on its far side, which hints at a hidden ocean beneath the icy crust, to the intriguing possibility of geological activity that could support life, every new discovery reshapes our perception of this enigmatic dwarf planet. As we continue to explore and uncover the secrets of Pluto, we are reminded that the universe is full of surprises, and our journey into its depths has only just begun. With each revelation, we not only gain insight into Pluto, but also deepen our understanding of planetary science and the potential for life beyond Earth. The story of Pluto is ongoing, and we can only imagine what new wonders await us in the years to come. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the mysteries of Pluto, be sure to like the video, share it with others, and subscribe to the channel. There are so many more wonders of the universe waiting to be uncovered, and I can't wait to explore them with you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.